Today I'm here at Survival Supermarket on Sherry Street. You know, when I mention the name Survival Supermarket, it's something good. You know, Survival always giving back to the community, and it's something good that they have to offer to you, the viewers who don't like free gifts, right? But today I have with me one of the representatives of Survival Supermarket, the lovely Nalini. How are you doing today?
I'm great, Samantha.
All right, I'm so excited about this promotion. Tell our viewers all about this big promotion, and it's just for Holi.
Yes, it's for Holi and it's very exciting. So we have the Splash and Spree. You spend 10,000 over and you win a prize. Fabulous prizes too. So we have like snacks and alcohol beverages. We have the bags you will get. Pagwa items, different stuff you will get. Very exciting. Just come out and shop.
And what are the days to get spin and win?
So it's the 16, 17 and the 18.
Wow, 3 amazing days. All you have to do is, let me get this right, spend $10,000 and over and you get a chance to spin and win. I'm thinking about those snacks right away. I mean, when you talk about snacks, there's so much to choose from, Nalini.
So much snacks to choose from.
And also, when we talk about Survival Supermarket, it's, you know, you can come into the store and you can choose. You have a wide variety to choose from. And you know, for Pago, you have your roti mix, you have your flour, all the different types of flour you can think about. You have your Polari mix. What else you've got for Pago here?
Well, you know, in Pago now you will have to get the cherries, you have to get the raisins, we have the milk. All variety stuffs of milk. We have every single thing that you need for Pagwa. Trust me, we have all the powders, the stainers, every single thing. We have the guns, everything for kids, everything. Just come down and shop at Survival.
And you know, this is not just for our Hindu brothers and sisters, because we all like Pagwa, right?
Everyone like Pagwa. Trust me, anybody celebrates Pagwa nowadays. Trust me.
Nalini, what are the opening and closing hours for Survival?
Well, the 16 and 17, we're opening from 8:30 till to 9 o'clock. And from for the 18, we're opening from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock.
So you're opening Pagwa Day?
Yes, we are opening Pagwa Day. Because remember, not everyone can come out in the week. So the holiday now, some people want to come out to get the rest of items they have to get. So let they come shop. We from 9 to 1 o'clock.
That's what I like about Survival Supermarket. I mean, you're working, you're tired, you reach home late, and you didn't get to do your shopping. You know, you can head down Pagwa Day and get all your goodies at Survival Supermarket. And Nalini, I know there is a WhatsApp number for persons who are working and didn't, you know, can't come to the supermarket. They can just do their list and send it to your WhatsApp number. What's that number?
613-9683.
Give me back that number once again for our viewers.
613-9683.
All right, before we go, what else would you like to tell our viewers about Survival Supermarket and this great promotion?
Well, just I want everyone to know that they can come down, shop the 10,000 and over and win fabulous prizes. And we have everything else for Pagwa, so just come down and enjoy.
Well, viewers, there you heard it from Nalini telling you all about the big promotion that is going on right now at Survival Supermarket. Remember, it's 3 days, 16, 17, and 18 Pagwa Day itself. And they're open Pagwa Day as well, too, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So you have to head down to Survival Supermarket and get all your goodies.
It's Survival Supermarket's Splashing Spree Pagwa promotion at their Sheriff Street and Vicinjon Road branches on the 16th, 17th and 18th of March. Shop $10,000 and over for a chance to spin and win instant prizes. T-shirts, snacks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, Pagwa powder and shopping bags. So come on down on the 16th, 17th and 18th of March for a chance to spin and win. Happy Holi from Survival Supermarkets. Shop price smart at Survival.